So I just went outside and fed the birds. It's like 9 o'clock here, and it got down to 20 something. And yeah, and anyway, so I went out and fed the blue jays because they were at my window chirping. So I felt bad. So I put my jacket on and I put shell peanuts in this feeder right there, just for them. So they should be the only ones at that feeder, them and the titmouse, because I know the titmouse likes, let me see if you can, nope, he left. They like, they like the shelled peanuts. And then I put the rest of the safflower seeds and sunflower seeds in this feeder around that tree where they just all flew from, and this feeder right here. So I want to keep them all on this side of the yard. Yeah, look at that. That's where they belong, right there. The doves need to step up. And the cart, guys, I posted a video yesterday. Oh, look at this dove. Thinks he's smart. I didn't put nothing in there, buddy. Look at the blue jay. I didn't put nothing in there because the mockingbird does not let them eat it. So I'm gonna have to put something in there. I'm sorry, guys. Surprised the mockingbird hasn't come. I guess because he knows there's nothing in there. But anyways, so yeah, that's where they are. And those are the red-winged blackbird females. I say it like that because I always get tongue twisted saying it. Let me see who's been on that bird feeder for the blue jays. I thought the blue jays would have came back in the sets. I have 4 blue jays that come back. Oh, the doves finally got on it.